Hello, Southern here. I'm doing a top 10 extinct and retired steam excursion stars. Because part 1 is going to be extinct and part 2 is going to be the excursion stars are retired from the 1980s and towards the 2000s. Like that from 1960 all the way up to that. So our first one is number 10, Southern Railway TS1 class of 482s. All these were built by Baldwin, 23 going to Southern, 5 going to the CNO and TP, and 2 going to the Great Southern Railroad of Alabama. I might have got that wrong. These locomotives have 69-inch driving wheels, 27 by 28 inch cylinders, also have 200 psi boiler, and tractive effort of 50,290 pounds, and weighed 157.4 tons, 242.9 tons with tender, and tenders can hold up to 12 tons of coal and 9,000 gallons of water. And the valve gear is Walsharts, Baker, and Southern. These locomotives were painted crescent green like the PS4 class of locomotives of the Southern. All of these were scrapped in August of 1954. Number 9, the Norfolk and Western J-Class Atlantics. These Atlantics are built by Baldwin, and 7 were only built. They have all Stephenson valve gear, 79-inch diameter drivers, length is 109 feet, height is 16 feet and 2 inches. The locomotive weight is 169,090 pounds. The tender weight is 100,000 pounds. All this weight equal to 269,090 pounds. And the tender can carry 10,000 pounds of coal and 6,000 U.S. gallons of water. These were scrapped in 1931 through 1935. Tracked effort is 21,751 pounds, and yes, this is the only image I have on the locomotive from Wiki. Number 8, Chesapeake Ohio L2 Hudsons. This part is only for the L2 Hudsons. These Hudsons worked for the CNO from 1941 to 1953, and they have 78-inch driving wheels, and they were 108 feet long. The tender can carry 6,000 pounds of coal and 21,000 U.S. gallons of water. All these were extinct by 1953, and like we have model trains just to bring back the legend of these locomotives. Number 7, Southern Streamline Pacific number 1380. This part is only for the 1380. This PS4 was built in 1923 for the Southern and pulled the Tennessean, and this was the only streamlined locomotive on a Southern. It has the same type of stats as a PS4, so I don't have to explain it. You can just look it up by Wiki by the stats and pressure and all that. And I'm not talking about the most cancer person on trains is Bill Vu. He just reskins J-Class to look like a 1380, which is like horrifying, and you can actually download it for free. I'm not going to put a link because that person's like most cancerous as hell. And there's model trains of the 1380, like the one you see here, and here comes Bill Vu. Yeah, that's what I meant, because of the horribleness of the quality, and it's just a reskin of the J-Class of the 1380. Number 6, the SP GS3 Daylights. The GS3 pulled the Coast Daylight and the Seine Walk-In Daylight. I'm probably saying that wrong. And these locomotives look similar to the GS2 Daylights. These use Walsharts, valve gear, and 80-inch drivers, 60,010 gallons of oil, and 22,000 gallons of water. These were scrapped up in 1957. Thank y'all for watching part 1, and part 2 is going to come soon if I even do trying to find these locomotives for part 2. That's It's going to be the Excursion locomotives. And this is part 1, so goodbye.